Hi everyone, so this is the Tusk Pilot Panniers that I'm gonna put on my bike, but before that I had to spray them with silicone waterproofing. So let's see if it's gonna work. I'm not waterproof, but hopefully with the spray it's gonna avoid to get wet from the inside. So I already have these racks. I just put some velcro and I will be mounting these bags, these panniers. So the next step is you have to take these straps okay. Okay. All of them. There are 4, 2 each side. So I put the bags on the bike. Here we are. You should put these straps in the middle. And after that, I went and I did this each side around the racks. So you should get the straps around the racks, and after you are satisfied about the position of the bags, you can tighten them. So when you secure all the straps, you cut them. Yeah, you don't want to let them hanging around, so just cut them. This is the final result.